Ready.
You ready? Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna come here and check real quick. Yeah?
Yeah. So welcome to the fourth iteration of Iterations.
I'm Vera from the Seyp. I'm the founder of Iterations. This year we focused on a few things. So there's a lot of sustainable computing, making tools that then make the design. And then there's also another line that is more focused on friction on the internet or friction in technology. So a little bit more challenge instead of like a seamless interaction every time.
My name is Maurer, mixed media designer, artist, performer, lecturer, educator. People don't really go anymore to experimental websites. You're just in platforms and you stay in platforms. And those platforms dictate what we do, how we act, what we see, to go out of their comfort zone. Because I think this is crucial to also making interesting work, which is again about you, about human, and not the machine that also can make great stuff.
My name is Boutin. I mix research and art and also commercial work. At least through the experiments, you manage to nurture your own practice, to open these little doors in people's minds.
So hi, we're Dymphie and Quentin from the studio F451. So like iteration is really like this thing that is like permanent in our practice where nothing is really permanent and there is always a better version, a new version.
I'm Mattaniah Aytenfsu and I am a new media artist and software engineer. Something that is a bit alternative to what the main media tries to tell you. I think it's a form of empowerment to sort of take all these new tools that are coming out and sort of find new ways of expression through them.
Well, I'm Provencher. I'm an artist that uses code and programs and stuff like this because I write my own software to make things. So I'll work in graphic design or in art, and I tend not to use programs that, like Adobe or something. I really like making my own software.
Create new things, like creating without a purpose.
Just do something what you think how it should be then.